The yellowtail flounder, which inhabits George's Bank off the coast of New England, has long been an important commercial catch. Yellowtail flounder, along with other ground fish inhabiting this region, have experienced increases and decreases in population growth over time. Depending on factors such as the species in question, the availability of food and space, weather conditions, pollution, and the presence or absence of predators or disease, a population may experience different patterns of growth. Three patterns of population growth are exponential growth, logistic growth, and population crashes. If a population of organisms has unlimited nutrients, space, shelter, and water, along with an absence of predators and disease, it will expand exponentially and indefinitely. Population growth under ideal conditions forms a J-shaped curve. In nature, populations of organisms cannot undergo limitless growth at the maximum rate of their reproductive potential because food supplies and living space are finite. When a population expands beyond the availability of food, space, or some other limiting factor, that population will decline as organisms die or fail to reproduce. Over time, the population size will tend to oscillate around a certain level, forming an S-shaped curve representing logistic growth. This level is called the carrying capacity, defined as the number of individuals an environment can support for a prolonged period of time. The carrying capacity is not an exact number, but rather a range of densities that may fluctuate based on seasonal changes, alterations in weather patterns, and changes of species composition within the community. When a population is introduced into a new area with a plentiful food supply and the right environmental conditions, it often experiences a dramatic period of growth represented by a J-shaped curve. Rather than slowly stabilize once it exceeds the carrying capacity of the environment, the population may crash. This type of growth pattern typically occurs when a food source has been decimated beyond its ability to recover, and the population that depends on that food source plummets along with it.